Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is tuned to standard E-A-D-G-B-E. This foundational step is crucial for accurate sound. Next, locate quality tablature or sheet music. Many resources are available online for free. Begin with less complex pieces, such as the main menu theme, to build your confidence and familiarity with the melodies. This approach will set a strong foundation for tackling more intricate compositions later on. To truly master Halo's iconic sounds, focus on essential guitar techniques. Begin by practicing fundamental chords and single-note melodies, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Articulation is key. Strive for precision in every pluck and strum. Incorporate a metronome into your practice routine to develop a strong sense of timing and rhythm. This will help you play the intricate musical passages with accuracy and a professional feel, making your performance sound authentic. Now, let's dive into some iconic Halo guitar riffs. A great starting point is the main theme's opening arpeggio, which sets the epic tone. Next, practice the memorable Halo chant melody, often found on the G and B strings, requiring careful finger placement. Don't forget to experiment with your guitar's tone settings. Adjusting your amplifier or pedals can help you achieve that signature atmospheric sound, bringing the game's world to life through your music. Effective practice is crucial for playing Halo on guitar. When faced with challenging sections, break them down into smaller, more manageable segments. This allows you to focus on one difficult part at a time. Recording yourself playing is also incredibly helpful. Listening back can reveal subtle errors or areas needing more attention. Aim for consistent practice, even if it's just 15 minutes each day, to build muscle memory and steady progress over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.